In this video, we'll be changing the battery in a Volkswagen Beetle key fob. There are two devices that look almost exactly the same as the one I have right here. There is this version that has the indicator light up in the top right corner, and then there's one that has it down here. Depending on which one you have, the process is going to be different. So you could follow along with me here if you have the indicator light up in the top right corner. And that includes the 3-button and the 4-button version as well. If you have the other device with the light down here, you can go check out the description, and there will be a link that will take you over to our other video showing you how to change the battery in the other version. For this one right here, all you'll need is a CR2032 battery, just one of them. And if you want to get one of those online, you can go check out the description, and there will be a link down there that'll take you over to Amazon where you can get those batteries for a great price. So opening this thing up is super easy. You first just flip out the key, look over here on the back, and you can see there is this section of plastic, that seam right there. This is what we will be removing. So you can hold up on the top of the device, and then coming in from where the key just was, just push up, and this section will come right off. And if you're having trouble with that, it can be helpful to take a large coin and put it in there, kind of down in the bottom, hold the top again, and just twist, which will give you some leverage to pop this thing off. So now we have access to the battery, and all you need to do to push it out is up on the top side of the battery, just with your fingernail, just apply a bit of pressure on that side. There we go, and it will pop right out. You can remove it, dispose of your old battery, and grab your new CR2032. Make sure when you put it in, the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up, and you'll just slide it into place under these two tabs, and then click down on the other side. Make sure that it's sitting flat, and then you can just put the back piece of plastic on there. Just snap it down, and you can put your key back in there. If you want to make sure that the device is functioning, you can just make sure that that indicator light is coming on when you press the button. So I hope this helped you out. I hope you liked it. If you did, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, we have you covered over here on this channel as well as at our website, FobBattery.com.